Who lives in a hammock like this? A fat old biker without a bike. So, yeah. Nice temporary thing, which is going to probably be staying like this overnight. So, yeah, that's the 5 metre by 5 metre tarp. Which is pretty much down the ground level on that side. It's an octagonal shape, so you've got, you can wrap it around things like that, which is quite handy. I mean, yes, if you were to get a horrendous wind, rain, it will come up under, but then all I'd have to do, that's not even tied onto that twig, is it? Sod it, it's fine. It's a bendy twig, it's just wedged into. It's a green twig, so it's got bendiness to it. If it were to start raining, howling, gales, take it off that twig, put a rock on top, or tie it down there, same at the other end, and that'll basically drop that down, which is more like an awning from the looks of it, and that'll give me complete coverage. I like that. I mean, if it were to be pulled tight, that would give me a couple of meters either end of the hammock. Yeah. Now I just need to get into the bloody thing to see whether or not, so I can't have another bloody night like last weekend. That was just horrendous. I passed out for maybe an hour or two, and then I was awake, because I wasn't just awake lying there daydreaming, which is fine, I'm used to that, but it was the fact that the angle was so bad. I was crunched up like this. It was fucking horrendous. So I'll see how this looks. I'll get in a minute, get the boots off, and if it is the same situation, what I might do, I don't really want to be on top of these rocks. That's spine snappers. But what I might do is try and smack out these rocks to lay them down flat, and then tie it to that tree, because that tree would be the perfect length. It's also right on that friggin' wall. So right, I'll give it a go.